Hello guys, how are you? Um, yeah, today is a new vlog about our project CSL, our boat project, and we are here in Ubay now. Later I will show you the boat, and we bought a lot of stuff because today it's a very special day because we will fix the down part of the boat and we wanna make it more. We want to protect more the wood. For this stuff we needed these drums. So here are 5 now. We bought 8. 3 are still on our way. The tricycle driver will bring them. And yeah, I will show you the boat now, and then I will explain you what the plan is. And luckily we have already our wood. This wood is for the seats. Charmy's uncle, he has a wood company and he delivered us this from Under to Ubay. So thank you so much, Uncle Philip. And this will be in a later vlog, but good thing is we have it already here. So the wood is already there. This is for the seats, like I said. But today we will work with the drums. Here you can see a typical Filipino step. Papa!
Yes.
So now you need to step over here, and then it's very complicated. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then it's very, because they have here with thorns. It's not easy. Look guys, there are the 3 more drums.
Now they are putting the drum inside, and hopefully it's enough for the bottom of our boat. And we also bought trapal to use for roof, as the roof while working. And look how dirty he is after helping other guy from cement.
Yeah, it's part of working, right? So here we are. Now you can see our boat in the background. As you can see, the wings on the side, they are already there. Because what is the plan? The plan is now we will flip this boat on top so that the down part is up. And then we take the drums. We will cut them, the top and the bottom, and then we have just the plastic over. Then we will burn it, and then we will put it as a cover, as a plastic cover, over the wood. Because as you can see guys, especially in our vlog with the Typhoon, where we was stranding on the sandbank, when there are corals or stones, and it's scratched over the wood gets damaged. You can see it here. I show you, wait guys. So as you can see here, the wood is damaged because the stones scratched over. And a very good idea is, that's what the boat builders say who work for us now, you can use fiber, but fiber is very expensive, and also when this is scratched you need to remove it and fix it as well, because there comes the time it's going broken as well, and then it will be always expensive again and again. Here's the plan now. We will just use the plastic. We will heat it up so it's flexible. We put it on the ground covering the wood, and then we make epoxy over it and cover and color, and then the wood is covered, the wood is protected with the plastic, and yeah, that's the plan. This is what we will do today. Hopefully the weather will stay now, because this morning it was very rainy. And then yeah, we will show you the result. Let's go. So what to do?
You push.
Push.
You go back.
Ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Sige. Ya, tunggu dia. Aku dulu, aku rusak. 1, 2, ay! 3! Terus. Ay. Oke. Kuang pa?
Okay na.
Isa lamang. Oke.
Up!
Ano na pa, ano na?
Ako usa.
Uligid din na.
Ano ko ni?
Ala na ra kay ilalay nagkatumba.
Kana isa kato isa po.
Oh, iya kasi masig kayo ko.
Little update, guys. They are installing.
Balik dari tindong na. Tindong na. Ana. Dari oh.
Yabog mo niya.
Balik pa.
Andre needs to be here in the tip.
So sugatan ni kayo nga.
Oh.
Sugatan ulit ya.
Dia kay.
Sikan mo ya boni ha.
Dito. Okay.
Mo ya boni. Sugatan ulit ya.
1, 2, andas. Ke. Are pa. Ay, ke. Isa pa. Andas pa, andas. Turun.
Naigo na nak. Uy, magpapa. Naigo na nak. Nagpapa. Tukod na.
That was easy.
Tukod.
And then later on, they will flip it.
Ayaw cool.
And now they have to cut the, because it must be plain.
Wala man ako dito.
How the boat. This is how the boat looks like now, guys. And now they're going to flip it.
Ari magkauna. Pagili. Pagili digari ko. Di ato. Ato po kare ato dito.
Which side is left? There or here?
Ya perlu Facebook guys. Ini. Ya perlu Facebook. Ilos.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
Bikas. Cara. Bikas kapan? Cara tungkol ko. Kaya mo dito. Bikas cara. Masakol. Ha? Di, ay na.
Asa man ito? Tod.
1, 2.
Asa man ito call? Ato, bante. Uno, dos,
ay, 3. Agoy.
No.
Ada sa. Sige.
uno, dos.
Oops!
Pungit. Okay, rakol.
Kadelikado po na, oy.
Ato. Pili ka rin. Isa. Itara ko kasko. Yan sa 3.
And it's already sideways. They will make it that the bottom is up. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Dari. Ini ya. Oke. Ini dapitan tuh. Dapitan di dalam kom. Dapitan. Oke.
Balik na, Bi.
Gahe.
It's too heavy.
Ana ba dapitan ba? Dapitan lagi. Ari dalam siguro. Ari sa dari. Yo. Duduk. Tulis na.
Wait. They tried to flip it, guys, but they are scared that the boat will somehow collapse or something, and maybe they cannot carry the boat, try to stop the boat. So what they try to do now is this white rope, they tied it to the tree, and then they will twist it here. So when the boat is slowly in this side, then they will just release the white rope slowly, and the boat will slowly do like this, if you know what I mean, guys. So now they will fix the rope there, And
Okay.
they will slowly release here. Yeah, it's better.
Hekte. Hekte. Para nagkita na.
Triplicate sa dia.
Buto ka na.
Aris ubos.
Kaya.
Ari di ay.
Magunit po ko dire.
Ah, like that.
Ay, magunit.
That's how it looks now.
Ala, tapikas.
I'll show you guys.
Tapikas. Alalay ra.
So here,
Dire?
di ka na malangkat. Ug ilibot na nas pambot ng pisi kay basi malangkat na.
Lagi. Pugong raman ko na. Alalay lang ba?
Ah, okay.
Oh. Ay, sa kanya oy, imbes kay lami ana arsa. Okay. Okay. Uno, Nicolas.
Oh my God. Arsa,
Atras.
slowly shots ha.
Di.
Oops.
Hey, bitara. Bitara. Di. Bitar. Di, ari.
Oh my God.
Atras. Isa.
Wait shots.
Di, ngari pa yan ba?
Isangitan lagi pa. Ugma kuan na, butangag sangitan ba?
Ko ba? Mura ba ko ba siya? Bitara ari.
Ah, birahon. Shots. When the boat is already going high, then they will drag it here.
Ya. Gini.
Ana na lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. Count.
Sige. Masalay mo ihap.
Wait kasi.
Ako rin. Ya. Now ko rin. Tao Delvin. Oh no. Dos. Ako rin lagi.
Guys, come on.
Oh no. Dos. Ay, Tris. Bitar. Nah, bitar. Bitar, ikon. Ikon ka. Agdi, tos, pikas. Di. Ikon dito. Di lagi. Sama ko lagi. Bitar.
Yeah.
Bitar ari. Bitar.
Biraha diri kuya wani.
Wala magadaog.
Di oy. Butangin ninyo glak na dito aron di mo isrog ng kon ba. So guys, the plan was not working because while they are trying to lift up the other side, this tip here is also running here. And this here should be free for the other side to be flipped. So that was not working. And now they are looking for 5 more people to help also support the other side of the boat so they can flip the boat successfully. People is already here finally after maybe 15 minutes of waiting, and the man with gray shirt is instructing them what to do, and then it should be finally, hopefully, okay.
Oh no. Dos. Ay, Tris, turbo dia. Turbo na to. Nagi. Kum.
Bob, sige!
Bira. Bira. Asa kay kabut. Ari lam. Asa kay tumba. Okay na. Okay na dong. Salta kay kami pugong. Okay na. Sige, area lang PC. Area PC. Okay na.
Oh my god, that was good! Good job! Now it's better, but they just want to centralize.
Salta. Arsa kamay dyan. Balik. Arsa kamay. Arsa. Okay. Okay, pass all right.
So it got damaged, but anyways, not a problem because we will remove this all and replace with new one.
Should we drive now to bring the stuff they need?
Yeah, finally guys, the boat is successfully lifted. So now you feel good? Better?
We are just at the start of our project, huh?
Yeah, but
We have a
were
lot
you
of
frustrated in the beginning?
No,
Lifting? Okay. And now we will buy other stuff that the workers needed, guys. Cause, oops. So it's a little bit lugsongon.
Little bit is good.
Lugsongon and also slippery. Because late yesterday and this early morning, guys, it was always raining, so it's not a good timing, but we can do it for sure. My auntie is in labor already for... Pila na ka nag-labor, te? How many days are you in labor na? Nag-labor? 4 days? 4 days, guys, in labor, but still cooking.
Sa bola.
Gitimpla na na iya.
Yung mama orang na mong trabaho ani. Ibang tiyan gina.
Hello, hello, hello. This is our second day from fixing the boat. Wait, asawa. Wait, guys, because our stairs here is very, very hard. So hard for him, guys, because he's so big and the stairs they made here temporarily is so small. And he broke one short there already, like completely broken. And we bought stuff already and another stuff for cooking because my place here has no right kitchen. So let's go to the boat, guys.
No jumping, no happiness.
This is the way going to the boat, guys. Also thief, luksongon,
And slippery.
slippery as well. Go, Apollo. Go, 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 go. So we will check the update of the boat.
Hello.
Ah, gi-cut na ninyo? Ah, they already cut the boat. Ah, the plastic. Dara pa.
Sa ba puti?
Nya, unsa naman ni? Sama ni mo ya? Saan ni Mara?
Pakat.
Tapakan?
Oh, gadahan ko. Bugas-bugas bikas ko rin.
Take if the booze up.
Ah, kato sigurong giod.
How's your...
Asawa. Asawa.
Dubas.
And then we will make it with epoxy or...
Sama dia.
Another wood. Kahoy.
Another wood.
Butag puksi.
Ah. And also this one. Oh my god, shots, look. Very big holes we bought.
Kari bangat. Lana lagi.
Ah. They will put fire, so
Sobra. Ano naman. Sobra. Ano naman. Powerful. Ito war. Pinito.
The weather is getting better. Stopped raining now, so the guys they eat a snack and then we can continue the work. Yeah, so this is the problem here in the Philippines. No, everyone is always working outside, so it's always relying on the weather. And when it's so hard raining like you guys see lately, then working is not possible. Even when we try to cover it a little bit, but it's you was able to see that the wind throw the tent away, so then it's sometimes better to stop and continue later. Yeah. By the way, guys, I told myself that if ever I will do social media and I will share my life with you here in the Philippines, I will show you everything and also the bad experience I made, because for me it's very important that the life is not always good, sometimes the life is also bad, and I think I should share this with you as well. I don't know, you guys remember when I had my sit-in with Mayasawa about what I need to adjust here. And I think that is normal when different cultures comes together. But very sad is it that yesterday I had my very first bad experience and a huge argument and a fight. And I was thinking if ever I will have this, my first time will be with a Filipino. Not because he is a Filipino, because I'm living in the Philippines, and here in Bohol there are 1.3 million people. Maybe 100,000 of them are foreigners, the rest are all Filipinos, so it's just a question of number or statistic that I was expecting that my first big fight I have will be with a Filipino, but it was a foreigner. So I had a huge argument with a foreigner here, so that was, yeah, a very sad experience. So that's life, so I think it's normal. I was expecting it will happen one day, that I will have also arguments or not people or discussions or something that's quite normal. But it was changing my mood yesterday. So I was driving home from Ubay with Charmi. I asked her if we can drive home because my mood was very down. And at the moment I'm still a little bit struggling with what I experienced yesterday. So that's the reason why maybe I'm not so talkative today. But like I say, that's part of life. Life is not always happy. Sometimes you have also confrontations or bad moments in life. So yeah. But anyways, let us talk back to the topic, what it's this project here. And I will show you a little bit more about our work here at the boat. Let's go. So guys, I hope you guys can see me because it's a little bit dark already. We have 6 p.m. now, and after everything was so bad with the weather, you guys saw it. The workers and my brothers, they used the time and the chance to start, and this is the result for today. One moment. You can see here, this is wood, and then this is how it looks. Yeah. I know some of you guys will have another opinion about it, to make plastic under the boat, but after my experience with the situation when we picked up the boat and we ended up in a typhoon and we needed to strand it in a good place, I decided that this is a good idea because in the next time when we have a situation like this, that we have to end up in any beach, and sometimes there are stones or corals. With this idea, it's just the plastic who gets scratched and not the wood, because when the wood gets scratched, it's bad and it can affect the wood and the boat, and it can also has other problems. For an example, when the wood get damaged and it stays in the water, the shells will grow on it, and then you have shells in your at your boat, and this is a death for the boat and for the wood. So we see this now as the best solution. Our boat builder says he would do like this, and yeah, so I think I trust him now, so we will see. I hope you guys can see me. Shami makes lights already.
Now? Yes.
Now you guys can see me okay. So what do you think, Schatz?
What I think what?
Yeah, about the result at the moment.
Now they are still placing the epoxy, no plastic yet. First epoxy, and then tomorrow epoxy with plastic, so they can.
Okay.
So it looks good. Now they make they put epoxy with paint, so it doesn't look. So when it's scratched,
This
it's
is
still
black paint?
Yeah, black paint.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
So
That's all for.
yeah, we will drive home now, and I hope you can see us. We will drive home now. We have 1 hour drive from Ubay to our place in Anda, and of course we will keep you updated. We will come back here the next days to see the updates, and then we will let you know. So now our project really started.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I will be so excited to see the results every step and how long it will take.
Yeah. Now it's our second day.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Bye too.